Good morning, boys. I dropped some crazy riz on the hose last night. No cap, it was bussin'.
Let's recreate any Bigfoot, Yeti, alien or any viral vlogger AI videos for completely free within 60 seconds with AI. I will show you everything step by step. Firstly, find any viral AI video you want to recreate. For easy making, firstly, I will find a most viewed YouTube shorts. Let's take this Bigfoot short. It got over 1.4 million views. So opening this short on a new tab. This short got 19k plus likes and 213 comments, so we will remake it. Firstly, click on share button and copy the URL and visit straightly to Google AI Studio and click on fetch information with URL context button. And paste the URL to prompt box. And paste this pre-made special prompt to this box and click on run button. If you want to get this prompt, please comment below. I will send you directly for your convenience. And finally, after click on run button, wait for a few minutes to generate full prompt. AI Studio will provide full detail VO3 prompt to remake that video. After getting the prompt, copy that full given prompt and go to Google Flow to remake that Bigfoot AI video with Google VO3 for free. And if you don't know how to get Google VO3 100% free, check my channel to get the full video tutorial. Open a new project on Flow, select VO3 model and paste that copied prompt to this box and wait for a few minutes to create video by Google for us. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can ask me on comment. I will reply all comments one by one. And if my video helps you, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to my channel. Here our video is ready to check. Let's see it.
Good morning, boys. Good morning, boys. I dropped some crazy riz on the hose last night. No cap, it was bussin'. Crazy riz on the hose last night. No cap, it was bussin'.
Tell me in comment how we recreated it with compared to that viral Bigfoot AI video what got 1.4 million views. So we can easily create our YouTube channel and use this strategy to get viral. Let's recreate another video to make you clear if this strategy works or not. I will do exactly the same process like before. Just stay connected. There is a final twist waiting for you at the end. So don't leave, stay connected till the end. And if this works for you, please subscribe to my channel. And comment below to get that special ready prompt. Ask on comment section, I will DM that prompt to you straightly. If you don't know how to download the generated video, you must download with upscaled format for getting better resolution. If you learn anything from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.
I found a nice patch of these guys and some chanterelles over there too. I found a nice patch of these guys and some chanterelles over there too.
This way you can recreate any Bigfoot, Yeti, alien or any vlogger AI viral video free with Google VO3. And if you use this strategy and make your YouTube channel, you can go viral within short time. I believe you didn't know this strategy before, so help me to grow by subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching.